Hi folks, today we're going to install Notepad++. Open your browser. Just type in Notepad++ download. Or you can just click that. This page, you can click the downloads Notepad++ or go to 64 bits. That's what we need. We can install 32-bit as well, but for this we'll go to 64-bit. Click the installer, it will download it. Just wait for it to be downloaded. Done. Click show in folder. That's your installer. Now to set it up, just open it up. Wait for it to be loaded. There you go. Click English for the language. Then here you just click next. This is just for us to continue, and for the agreement just click I agree, and for the path you don't need to change that. Click next, and here click next. Don't need to change anything. If you want to have a shortcut, you can click that create shortcut, but just click install. And there you go, it's done, complete, finish. It will launch the Notepad++. So this is the welcome page. You can just read the note from the developer. Or you can just close this. It will create a new tab. There you go. You can start working now and do wonders. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.